Hi, I'm David Addison. I'm a partner here at Dirigo Design and Development. Email marketing is one of our specialties, and Dirigo owns and operates the same email sending platform as used by Silverpop, Responses, Cheetah Mail, and all the rest. Let's take a look at our system. Today we're going to be sending an email template for Audiophile Magazine. It's an email template that was designed in Dreamweaver, and it was just marked up by hand. Here's the template. After logging into the Dirigo ESP, you'll see a list of your most recent email campaigns. This is where you find statistics on the number of sends, opens, total clicks, and unsubscribes. We're going to go ahead and send a test email. So I'm going to create a new campaign. I'll give the campaign a name, test, 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 and I'm going to choose which list or lists I want to send to. Then I'm going to click Create New Campaign. So once I've done this, I can choose to send from scratch, meaning an HTML template that I've made in Dreamweaver, for instance. I can use a template gallery, I can choose a previous campaign, or I can fetch a web page. In our instance here for this demo, I'm going to go from scratch. So I've got to set up a sender name. In this case, it's going to be newsletter. And the email address is going to be newsletter@s2.audiophilemagazine.com. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And then I come to where I set up my email template. Here I can select HTML, plain text, or both HTML and plain text. For this demo purpose, I'm going to choose HTML. Usually I send both HTML and plain text. I put test email as my subject. I can choose to personalize if I want my subject or where am I from or all that great stuff. I'm going to go over here and grab my HTML email template that I had marked up previously in Dreamweaver. I'm going to come back to the interface and paste it into my HTML editor and hit update. There's my email template ready to send. I click Next. Here I'll be provided a screen where I can test the email. I'm going to send a test to myself. After sending the test to myself, I'll inspect it, click all the links, make sure it's good. Maybe I'll test it against spam filters to see that it went through. You can see down here it's got a spam filter test, and I can see that it's got a good score, so I don't have any problems. There's no indications that I'm going to have issues sending this email. I can click Next, and then I can schedule my email. I can send it now, on a given date or time, or repeatedly. And once I save this, the email is off and going. I've just sent 100, 200, 300, 400,000 emails. We can send up to 3 million an hour. So now that we've done that, let's take a look at our lists here. I can click Lists up top, and I can see that I've got 4 or 5 lists. I've got 10,000 people on this library list. I can click into Library. Let's say that I want to add somebody to the list. I can take a subscriber action and add a subscriber to the list. I can upload files, download files, copy and paste. In this case, I'm going to copy paste. I'm going to put a test.com. Next, and I can tell it what to do with that. In this case, I don't want to add it to the suppression list. It's an email address. I can click Next, and the list is added. Now let's take a look at campaigns. Here I can look at all of the campaigns that I've sent and what my open rate is. I can drill into a campaign and I can see statistics on how many people opened, how many people clicked, how many bounces, how many unsubscribes. I can even come down here and see how many folks clicked on what links. So there's your overview of how to send emails through Dirigo's ESP. It's easy.